In this video, I'm going to show you how to add or remove page numbers in Microsoft Word quickly and easily. This is a really useful skill whether you're working on an essay, a report, a resume, or any document that needs a clean professional layout. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly where to go, how to choose the right page number style, and how to remove page numbers if you no longer need them. If this video helps you out, please hit that like button and subscribe for more simple Microsoft Word tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your document in Microsoft Word. Once your file is open, look at the top menu and click the Insert tab. This is where Word keeps tools for adding things like headers, footers, tables, and page numbers. After you click Insert, find the Page Number option in the ribbon. Click it and you'll see a menu with several choices. Word gives you different locations for page numbers, such as the top of the page, the bottom of the page, or even the page margins. You can also choose a style that matches the look of your document. For example, you might want a simple number centered at the bottom, or a more formal style aligned to the right. As soon as you select one of the options, Word will automatically insert page numbers throughout your document. This is one of the fastest ways to keep long documents organized, especially if you're printing or submitting them professionally. If your document has a title page or you want to start numbering from a certain page, Word also gives you more advanced options through the page number settings. But for most users, the basic Insert and Page Number menu is all you need. Now, if you decide you want to remove the page numbers, the process is just as easy. Go back to the Insert tab, click Page Number again, and this time choose Remove Page Numbers. Word will instantly remove the page numbering from the document. That's it. No extra cleanup, no manual deleting, and no need to edit each page one by one. If you don't see the result right away, just scroll through the document to make sure the numbers have been removed from the header or footer area. This method works great when you want to switch between a numbered and unnumbered version of the same file. And if you're preparing multiple documents, learning this one simple workflow can save you a lot of time. So to recap, to add page numbers in Microsoft Word, go to Insert, select Page Number, and choose your preferred location and style. To remove them, go back to Insert, choose Page Number, and click Remove Page Numbers. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a quick Microsoft Word tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.